Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another update of the 350Z Nismo. So, as you can see the title on my, these are literally the last parts I needed for to have all the parts complete. I mean, I'm still missing like a few little things, but like very small stuff. But these were the main parts, and yep, these are the headlights I picked up. Which well, not me, but I'll have someone restore them so they look better than this. And this is the Nismo rear bumper I picked up. Bought it from my boy Mia. I noticed that I think it was the last video, or I don't know, the one before that, I didn't put his @name, which I'm gonna do with this video. So here's his @. He helped me out with a lot of parts for this build. Like, he sold me at least like 80% of the parts. So yeah, this is the OEM Nismo bumper. Let me see real quick. See right there, Nissan. So there's the OEM bumper. Like I said, on this build I was doing everything OEM. I just got out of work, so I'm sorry I didn't upload on the weekend, but I was at the Hard Rock Casino, the guitar here in Miami. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for that. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna put the rear bumper on, which will be on the next clip, so you guys can see how it looks. And yep, do that real quick. Alright, guys, so here you have it. Nothing is tightening down. The bumper's loose. It's not tightening down the corners. The tail lights are loose and all that. So yeah, but there it is. Car's coming along really quickly. I didn't expect for me to get the bumpers that quick. Honestly, the bumpers, I thought for me was gonna be the hardest thing to get, and luckily my boy came through and did all that for me. So yeah, it should be out to the body shop this week. Today is Monday, and I should be taking it, I say Wednesday or Thursday if I have time, because I work. Probably Friday. But all I know is that it's going this week. It has to go this week. I wanted to get work done already and get everything back together. So yeah, I also wanted the OEM spoiler, but I mean, I guess I'll keep this one for now. This carbon one. People told me that this one is heavier than the OEM. I don't know why, but yeah. And this carbon one doesn't have the third tail light. The OEM one brings it right here in the bottom where I'm pointing at. So yeah. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, which it will be the car going to the body shop. Yeah, like I said in the other video, I sold the wheels, but when this car is done, it's getting some nice wheels. I won't say it now, but yeah.